are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.